Hey folks, once again, it's Captain James Nelson here with Dude Craft Guitars. Check out that little whitewash beauty, eh? That's right. All the details are over here in the description, so please check them out. This is a custom job. This one was sold already, and it is going to go home to its new owner here very shortly. But first, I always give a sound demo. So here we are. I'm not going to play a lot, just a little bit, just to sample it out. I got the action set pretty low. Low enough to give it a little spank, but high enough to still get some good tone and sustain. And of course, it could always be changed. Yes, it is set up as a bass 6 and drop D. Of course, coil tapping. These are Bareknuckle pickups. Again, all the details on the description. So this one just went to single coil. Now we're going to do single coil on this one. Chicken picking on a bass 6. I love it. Well, as chicken picking as this city boy can get. All right, and here's the middle. Here's my pick. This is clean, no effect whatsoever. I think I got a little compression and gate. That's about it. Going straight through a 40-watt tube amp. Single. Double. Single, double. Last demo I did, I was wearing a hoodie, and I mentioned that we have dude hoodies. I do want to thank you all for the responses I got on those, but yes, we do have dude hoodies. Please leave comments on this video if you're interested, and or DM me, direct or whatever. We still have some left, and I also do have a distortion pedal, so now you're gonna have to listen to it. There you have it. It's pretty simple, very basic, very clean guitar. And, it's got a couple little extra features with the coil tapping, and it's got some really nice pickups in it. But that's what you got, and it's just, it was a pleasure to make. I love doing these whitewash type finishes. Pickling, some people call it. It's not it's not an everyday thing. It really does add attitude. And I had to kind of come back and do a little bit of dry brushing on the neck to get that attitude out that you would normally get here. Because as you can see with this Poplar, you got some really cool grades. The Maple neck was just, the soft grain. It wasn't really popping. But we added some dry brushes and just really just made it pizzazz. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year to you all. I should have a demo of this one coming up soon. I've got that one. Hopefully, will be done before the end of the year. And what can I say? You know, I'm still fighting a cough. I don't know if any of you guys follow social media, but I did get some sawdust exposure to exotic woods. You got to be very, very careful. Excuse me. As I say, as I hack out nothing. That's what's coming up. You know, it's like nothing. Like I say, it's like these guys in the back of the throat. I cough, they lay down. As soon as I'm done coughing, they're right back. Nothing changes. But anyway, thanks again, folks, for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars. Leave some comments, click the like, subscribe, do all that jazz. Really appreciate it. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.